Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Rita. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. I have an exciting video today. It is an unboxing video. I always enjoy these videos because it means that it's something nice and there is a package, and so yeah, I tend to enjoy unboxing videos, and generally I like doing the videos that I do, and I always enjoy doing them. So for years I have actually been searching for the perfect orange handbag. Now I always find that it's very difficult. Now my preference with bags, I love leather bags, but when it comes to the type of leather as well, I do like the bags that are pebbled leather. And I'm pretty simple. I just want a plain color. I don't care about patterns and things like that, so I like to get classic timeless bags. So there is a theme with all of my handbags, and I will do a handbag collection video very soon, and it's usually more or less the same, plain color, pebbled leather, which is a plus. Otherwise, yeah, kind of very similar. So I've been looking for the perfect orange handbag, and I seem to not find the perfect bag that has everything that I need. It's either smooth leather, it's too small, I don't like the shape of it. The only bag that I've ever liked is the Birkin in orange. Now I do not have Birkin money okay, and I'm not about to buy a Birkin, but I love that shape of the Birkin. I love just everything about that handbag, and in orange. When Mulberry did their zipped base waters, the smaller size, I think they had an orange one for some time. I did like the orange, but it was not quite the orange I was looking for, and I was not ready to actually splash out and just go that far with getting a bag. Now the last few months I've been eyeing a bag, and it's one by Aspinal of London, and I've been like kind of hoping it goes on sale, hoping that I can get it, and then I realized they had an offer recently, which I thought was a good deal, so I treated myself to the Aspinal of London Tote, which is my favorite. So we're going to be unboxing. So the package arrives, and it's this massive big box, so it's nicely put together in a safe box, and then I'm going to attempt to open it. Now I know it is massive. I should have done better with this unboxing, but the excitement got the best of me. So so this is the package, and just opened it there. So we've got something nicely packaged there. Got the receipt. They've done it all up nicely, which is nice, and it's actually not that heavy, which is amazing. Now inside of this box is another lovely box. So when we pull this out, oh my god, oh how nice. That is the actual bag. Look at that. So that is the beauty. Comes in a really pretty Aspinal of London bag packaging, which is really nice and super stunning. Now, this is so nicely tied, I really don't want to ruin it, but we're going to have to tie it up really nicely. Once you take this paper off, you reveal a dust bag. And inside of that bag is this lovely bag in this beautiful Aspinal of London dust bag. OMG. Now that is it. Wow. It's very sturdy. It's a very nice classic shape, very simple looking. It's got the Aspinal of London logo there, and it's got the little charms on the side. So the inside of the bag looks like that. It's got two big compartments, as you can see. It's got the studs on the underneath, and it's a beautiful navy color inside. So you've got this big compartment here, then you've got that other big compartment, zip on the side, and then there's two little pockets on there. It's really just a nice plain bag. There's nothing fancy, but I've always wanted a beautiful orange bag, and so for me this is the perfect orange bag. I really do like it. It's just simple, classy, and just the perfect shade of orange. So yeah, this is the larger version. Really happy with it. It's so pretty, and I can't wait to take her out. Look at that. Very nice, very pretty bag. So yes, I'm very happy with it. I can't wait to take it out. I've always wanted this shade of orange, and I'm really pleased with the look of this bag. So yes, happy days, happy times coming. I cheated on Mulberry. I really did with this one. This is a really nice, pretty handbag. So yes, I'm really happy with it. Can't wait to go out with it. And yep, so far so good. It looks amazing, looks nice, very stylish, and I'm so excited. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing with me. And yes, if you have one of these, please share your thoughts, comments, your likes, what sort of bags you do like. For me, this is my first Aspinal of London handbag, and I do like it. It's a very pretty first bag. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this with me, and thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.